Hello one and all, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So it's time to start the new chapter. The name is linear inequation. In linear inequation, the sign of less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to will be there. The example 1 I have written, 5x is less than 24 if x is a real number, if x is a natural number, and if x is an integer or z, I or z both stands for integers. Now the first rule, to keep the first term positive, this rule is strictly to be followed. To keep the first term positive, we use sign change rule. What is sign change rule? Which will alter all the signs. सारे चिन्ह को बदल डालता है साइन चेंज रूल. नेवर कट माइनस माइनस फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. यूज साइन चेंज रूल. कभी भी माइनस माइनस दोनों तरफ से मत काटिए. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टू स्टूडेंट्स, दिस सेम प्रॉब्लम इज बीइंग आंसर्ड बाय फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट एंड सेकंड स्टूडेंट. द टू स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. Minus 100 is smaller than minus 10, correct? Minus 100 is smaller than minus 10, correct? Now the same is copied. After that minus minus cancelled. Minus minus को इसमें काट दिया. This student was in habit of cancellation of minus minus from both sides, which is not allowed. Then 100 is less than 10. This is wrong. So wrongly we are getting. Now this student is in habit of sign change. So minus 100 becomes 100 and this less than becomes greater than. Minus becomes plus, triple change. Minus बन गया plus, less बन गया greater, 10 बन गया minus 10 बन गया 10. So this is correct. So never cut minus minus from both sides, whereas division and multiplication with the number is allowed. अगर number रहे तो avoid cross multiply. If function of x is in denominator, अगर x डिनोमिनेटर में हो तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कभी न करें. I will be discussing one by one. So this is the first problem. 5x less than 24, so x less than 24 by 5, x less than 4.8. So 4.8 less than 4.8 means 4.8 and left. You have to keep yourself in the left. So this is your x. So you can write x is smaller than 4.8. So your answer is this. And if you are interested in expressing it on number line, this is the expression on number line. Another style, your answer is, or x is a member of minus infinity to 4.8. Now 4.8 not to be taken. This is called open interval. Open interval, I have taught already interval through the previous videos. Again, to answer question number second, this is the first. Second, to answer second number, x is a natural number less than 4.8. So the answer is all the natural numbers less than 4.8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. These are the natural numbers less than 4.8. The graph will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only the 4 points are taken in this. Whereas the regular continuous, all the points are taken in this. In case of real number system, no points should be left unshaded. Everywhere there is shading. There is no any gap in case of x belongs to real number, but in case of x belongs to natural number, there will be gap. And this is your answer. In case of third number, our answer is x is equal to all the integers less than 4.8. This will start from minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in case of I, integer, we write like this, and the graph will be like this. If you are interested in drawing the graph, लगातार चलेगा सब. minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the answers with gap. This is the continuous answer starting from this, and all the integers less than this have been taken. So the three answers, but generally in examination you will be told to solve this, only this, or x belongs to R, or simply solve this, solve this. Then x is less than equal to 24 by 5. So this is 4.8. Now you will draw the graph of this. No condition, simply solve this. No condition, so write 24 by 5. And after that, less than, this is 4.8 also. 4.8 less than means this side. All the points are taken. So x belongs to minus infinity to 4.8. Now a student, 4.8 is taken, equal sign is here. So due to this equality, this is closed bracket and this is open bracket. So this is your answer. Now move towards another question number second. 12 plus second number. 12 plus 1 and 5 by 6x. 1 and 5 by 6x is smaller than equal to 5 plus 3x. Solve. When x belongs to real number means all the answers will be correct. All real numbers have to be taken. So first of all, write it in this format. 12 plus 11x by 6 is smaller than equal to 5 plus 3x. Now you have to remove this 6 by this rule. Multiplication with positive number. So to avoid this 6, multiply by 6. This 6 cancelled. 6. All the terms are multiplied by 6 by this rule to avoid the number in the denominator. Multiplication and division by positive number is allowed. So this becomes 72 plus 11x is less than equal to 30 plus 18x. After that, the transfer of terms is allowed. The variables are generally kept in left. So I am keeping this 11x minus 18x is smaller than equal to 30 minus 72. So this is minus 7x is smaller than equal to minus 42. Again, never cut minus from both sides. So change sign. So this sign will also be changed greater than. This is 7 and 42. So x is more than equal to 6. 7 divide 42. Division by positive number is allowed. You can write 42 by 7. So this is x more than equal to 6. More than equal to 6 means if you are interested in drawing the graph, this is 6. And more than 6 means right side. More than 6 means move towards right side up to infinite. So your answer is either this. This is also your answer. And if you are interested in write it in interval form, x from this to this. So x belongs to 6 and infinity not to be taken. If not to be taken, we use a small bracket. If taken, equal means taken. Equal means taken, means 6 must be taken. So this point also taken. In case of taken, we use big bracket. This is type 1. Now moving towards type 2. Type 2 is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. This is more than x plus 7 minus x by 3 more than 2. Let me verify the question first. 2x minus 1 is more than x plus 7 minus x by 3 is more than 2. Now to remove this 3, we multiply by 3 to all the terms. Remove this 3 by multiplying with 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. So this 3 cancels this 3. After that we get 6x minus 3. 6x minus 3 more than 3x plus 7 minus x more than 6. So this gives 6x minus 3 more than this discomposed 3x minus x is 2x plus 7 is more than 6. Now to answer this type of triple, 1, 2, 3 terms are there, taking this and this separately. So make the two groups with AND. The answer will be common from first group and second group. So this will give you 6x minus 3 is more than 2x plus 7. Now transfer this to this side. So when 2x comes to this side, it becomes 4x. And when 3 added to 7, it becomes 10 like equation. Now this is x more than 5 by 2. This is the first part of your answer. And now move towards second part. 2x plus 7 more than 6. So 2x more than minus 1. 7 is transferred to that side. So x more than minus 1 by 2. So this and this are the answer. If you are interested, this is your also answer and this is your also answer. But both answers must be composed. Just see how the composition is done. Minus infinity to infinity, minus 1 by 2 is expressed in the left side of the number line. But there is no any equal sign, everywhere greater than. So this gap and gap, minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. We are not supposed to take minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. That's why this is not shaded. After that, x more than 5 by 2. More than 5 by 2 means this side. This is your shading. And more than minus 1 by 2 means, again move towards right side, this. So and means common answer is entertained. So our common answer is this. x यहाँ रहेगा इतना दूर में बस. This is the common answer. Due to this and, always use and after that the answer is x more than 5 by 2 or x belongs to 5 by 2 not taken. So a small bracket, infinity is never taken, so a small bracket. This is your answer. But in the same question, if the sign of equality will be there, in case of equality, equal also, we use equal sign everywhere. In this case, this will be shaded. This will be shaded and the answer will be equal also, and this will removed by taken. 5 by 2 taken, but remember that infinity is never taken. Infinity is always used with this small bracket. The type 2 is over. Now move towards type 3. Px by qx is more than equal to 0, less than equal to 0, more than 0, less than 0. Ensure 0 in right side always. Ensure 0 in right side. हमेशा 0 होना चाहिए right side में. Example, let us take example 6 number, x plus 4 by x minus 2, 6 number, x plus 4 by x minus 2 is more than 0. Now it has to be answered. So there is a term critical point. Get critical. Critical is also called terminal. Terminal points. How these terminal points are obtained? So equate all the numerator is 0, denominator 0. So let x plus 4 0 and x minus 2 0. So in order to get the critical point, we equate numerator and denominator both equal to 0. So this gives x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 2. These 2 points are critical points on number line. Just see. point -4 and 2. -4 in the left and 2 in the right. Not shaded. Shading is not here because equality sign, equal sign is not here. So we have not shaded this. After that, there is a permanent sign scheme in this type 3. Permanent sign scheme start from plus. This is the new sign scheme, minus and plus. This is infinite. Always for this type 3, use this type of sign scheme always. After putting the value of critical points on number line, always permanent sign scheme plus plus बीच में माइनस, हमेशा बीच में माइनस रहेगा, दोनों तरफ प्लस रहेगा. For 2 critical points, you have to study only for 2 critical points. So that's why this is permanent for you. After that, now see one more thing. Denominator is not 0. Remember, since denominator is not 0, denominator is not 0 because if denominator is 0, it will be infinite. Division by 0 is not allowed. So this gives x minus 2 is not 0. So x is not equal to 2. Never take x2. x2 हम लोग नहीं लिए हैं. This is the critical point. But according to instruction, you are not supposed to take 2. 2 हम लोग नहीं भी लिए हैं. After that यहाँ देखो ये greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. We need positive. We need plus plus. Greater than 0 means plus. So this is your answer. X will shift this side and x will shift this side. Both sides positive are there. So these two are the answer. X is this side. So the answer is x. X is smaller than -4. Or in the previous type I have used and, but here we use or for type 3. So x is greater than 2. Style, answer in a style. X belongs to -infinity to -4. -infinity to -4 union 2 to infinite. So this answer is the answer in a style. Suppose there is a greater sign here, equal also. In case of equal sign also, everywhere there will be equal, equal and equal. So this will be answer in case of equality. And in case of equality, we never take 2. 2 is not taken, but you must take -4 and 2. इक्वल के चलते दोनों लेना है. टेक बोथ. इसको भी ले लीजिए, इसको भी ले लीजिए. Due to this equal sign, in case of equality greater than equal to, take both critical points are taken due to this equality. But x is not equal to 2, so remove this. Only 2 is not to be taken because it will make the denominator 0. So that's why 2 is excluded, and after that this will be 4 taken, but 2 is not taken. All other will remain the same. One more question of this type. Solve x minus 3 by x plus 4. 7th. Solve x minus 3 by x plus 4 is less than 0. In case of less than 0, we need negative. It means we need negative. Keep it in mind. Terminal points. Terminal points, x minus 3 0, x plus 4 0. Let. So this gives x is equal to 3 and this gives x is equal to -4. These are the terminal points. And one more restriction, the denominator is not 0. So this gives x plus 4 not 0. So x is not equal to -4. Now display of number line system, -infinity, infinity, this is +infinity. The two critical points -4 and 3. -4 and 3. The sign of equality is not here, so these 2 points are not to be taken. Blank है ये दोनों blank. After that, sign scheme plus permanent sign scheme plus, in between there is minus permanently. We need minus. So our answer is this. X will sit here and this is your answer. So the answer is minus 4 is smaller than x, smaller than 3. This is continuity. Or you can write x belongs to minus 4 to 3. Minus 4 to 3. But a student, if in case there is an equality sign, so both to be taken. 3 is taken, minus 4 taken. Due to this equality, take all the terminal points. ये भी ले लिया गया, ये भी ले लिया गया. But remember that 4 minus 4 not taken. This minus 4 not taken, so immediately remove this. Minus 4 not taken, and but 3 is taken. So this is your answer for equal sign. Thank you very much, students. We will talk another type in the next video. Try to share among all those who are the students of 11. Thank you.